Hello everyone, welcome back to the FIXFLOW channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no boot device found error on a Dell laptop. If your laptop is not starting and showing this error, don't worry, you can fix it in just a few steps. Step 1. First, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and restart your laptop. Step 2. As soon as the laptop starts, press F2 to enter the BIOS settings. Step 3. Now go to the boot section. Here you might see boot mode set to legacy. Change it from legacy to UEFI. Step 4. Now save the changes and exit the BIOS. After that, your laptop should start normally without showing the error. If this method doesn't work, then your hard drive might not be detected or Windows may need to be reinstalled. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the FIXFLOW channel for more quick and easy fixes.